And chair be am bro we catch us and no teachers for a demonstration. Ministry of Finance headquarters. Na busia demonstration is akwas for Tamale. Nurses for omuso ya yenti obuka. Asam great. Nurses for so ya yumi busa yenti obuka. Am almost abekomu akosem. No mo se no make any there. TikTokers for a clash with nurses. Memo nchiri mu no akere wa adwen amame. Comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say any demo. Over like video no other one. Subscribe button. Click notification corner for latest updates. Abekere wa adwen dia amame. Comment section. Mess was obaso. No share for so enya bi ahye. Enti beka yakọ for election mu no. Na come say nurses for na omo student ni the nursing student ni the say omo nyina di. NDC any kwenkwen e ma no moto no o eduru on ma na Mahama don kwenkwen no mu sheki se no mu sheki oh Eba mekai Mahama echo one of the nursing schools ni ba kumu how do musi watching the soup fifa soup ajonkwa the hope is here, the hope has come because now Mahama I promise you automatic posting so we ya here we ya service we ya papa dia posting e betne fi papa dia posting e betne fi papa crash now go for any aje now I was like hey we ya botre e we say Mahama minimum no 2030 obetina as well no sigara ye nisika or the 3-month pay policy ebaye abra na nurses any teachers adwuma 3 years no otu abosme miensa RS ana ma wo that's I'm tell na say nisika no na MP yetuo muka MP ni bi anko strike ya Ghana hada MP DC you could anko strike that the MP as I can say teachers for nurse for Queens no omu Queens no yes Ghana nisika it one about the 3-month pay policy ebaye it is not for less than you come and say na nurse for near Jesus I was like hey I'm go we munya wetre na munim watch now munim watch na me dem Mahama minim no anybody na we ade ade say nya wani minim no that was ya e word be ba na word ya baso to ko Tamale nurses for wo ho no no and midwives for no onso ya adwuma fini mu nyina abuso omunya ahwe e kom nko na ekum enzo ma beka o makosem pay us now Akando pay us now
Let's observe a minute of silence for our colleague who passed away at Confanote Teaching Hospital because he couldn't afford his medical bills due to unpaid salaries by the government. Okay, may his soul rest in peace. Amen. So this petition is presented to the Northern Regional Minister under the Northern Regional Coordinating Council, Tamale Northern Region, from the Coalition of Unpaid Nurses and Midwives, Ghana. The petition is to appeal for intervention on unpaid salaries of nurses and midwives who have been serving for the past 9 to 10 months with dedication, compassion to the good citizens of Ghana. Since January 2025, over 7,000 nurses and midwives have called in Ghana, including many in the northern region, have worked without salary. the two ministries, that is the Minister of Health and the Ministry of Finance, are claiming that our financial clearance has expired. Meanwhile, the same financial clearance has had some of our colleagues paid right from May till this month. This has left us unable to afford food, our rent, utilities, transportation, and pushing us into several emotional and financial distress. Now, despite several follow-ups with the Minister of Health and Finance, no concrete solution has been provided. No timeline has been given as to when we will receive our salaries. We therefore appeal to your office to use your good leadership and influence to advocate strongly for us at the highest level of government. We have carried out the burden of service without reward, and our resilience is breaking. We respectfully count on your solidarity and intervention to ensure that justice is served. Choboy! 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 Thank you. Leadership of the coalition of unpaid nurses and midwives, we submit to you our petition. My name is Penyah, the regional organizer.
Okay, so let's give the mic so that we can take
So please, kindly wait under the tree. We'll get 3 of your executives. Kindly wait under the tree. Kindly wait under the tree. The noise is too much. Please, let's go under the tree. Let's go under the tree. Let's wait under the tree.
We are begging them. Let's get them for our we are having 10 good months without
They are waiting that they will come out and usher us in. That we are blocking the gate. No, we will go in. We will go in. We will go in. They'll come out and do that. Please, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We'll go in. But I mean, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please, please. Let's go under the tree. Let's go under the tree. Let's go.
Na omdo manu see ya na media some of us he ne ha mo ga say adwuma dwuma na mo sa kwekwe na yes dem na mo sa kwekwe na mo no red off.
Please accept our unreserved apology. We seek forgiveness from our transgressors. Your Excellency, we are begging. Yes, bro. Your patrol. Your Nadia. You are pleading. Please forgive us.
A few moments later.
Next for more Ghana, let me tell you this. You see what you are going through right now. It is not a battle between you and the government. It is a battle between you and God. Eye hunhumwasem. Eye twedi ampo Nyankopon obo soro na asase na etua moka. Wo kwan a mutumi yi MPP amanyuko no boni aye. After so many things omoye maamo. Mutumi begina media so eyi MPP for boni aye. Say omo anye hwea mamu. After mo allowances omo de maamo, after mo feeding omo feeding mo, after mo posting omo posting mo aketua no mo tua mo kanyina, you had the guts to come on the media to tell the people that MPP did not try for you, and so you were apologizing to President John Mahama. Today he is here, and you are now holding
placards moving up and down, demonstrated. I bet you. Hey, Ghana nurse for bet you. I bet you. You have a very long way to go. Like I said, mo to kwano na mo asem no. Enya mo ne aban na edi mo ne Nyankopon twedi ampon. Obo so na asase de obo mene wo. Mo ne no ene edi. Inti no mo boma bosso. Tighten your belt, because God is not done dealing with you people. We are saying say we ungrateful. Nyankopon on strange shoulder, because our religion mu kwa Nyankopon aka say nipa da se ni we say we are grateful. You have to be grateful to whatever that comes your way as a human being.
Pay us now, Akando. Yentia mukanya de muhia sika de yede. Yaji ala wano yanto nana ya kwatu atiao. Sese muhia sika mo de yede. Mo de kwato fridge akotonsu. Ana mo de kwato kotojwa begu fridge mu aya aduane yadi. Kevin Taylor kurase munimu nkwaye. Ghana anesefo. Yese mo nsa no mo. Sese yentia mukanya de mo akonhoma mo de kwato we. Ha? Dabio mo hu dadwene nya ye dadwene o mo dadwene nya ye dadwene broni kokko afre ye se koke numfo ni wi numfo asabi o madwene ato chima ewo mu kuromu no ye meju o mu megu ye man mu ni yanyi sika medi eno hu dadwene ni nsiesie ni ye apɛ baabi ye kɔgye saafo na begu eno na ye dadwene enyamo Monte sami yanka samadeshi ye tuna sola kaba. Omuti nkrofo kuromu ni nantwie no munsuo monte yo. Menwene wo mo ho na mo makatua. Mo sisei omokura menwene wo mo ho na makatua. Ekomunti ni ye pre dabre man konkunte. Kokogu apaso a ne ya pre dabre so man konkunte. Da chi asem ni mu komuntia. Ghana fo mabunu. Me say ekom dachi asem ni emukom enunti ene ye pre dabre ka kokogu apaso a ye nkopia empre dabre man konkunte o da bia me kamese sikani owuja ne ba enwunyade na sa nkwada no mesmanagi no ma na behia omo nya nkwasiafo because asetina mu bre ni mu kom sa nkwada no mu hunu bi na me kwaku ye bo amete hei a me fa fom enfie dunia chire twa nkwansini nson wie JHS a manhu da sabi mesi kofia je ma mesikasa je na wo ba na nsukom de wa medidi na ekoba o mento aduane udidi anopa na wo de bekọ aba no miensa because obeka kire o se metwa ensu akese miensa metwa ya de na matwa chichibobe na mabetwa no mosu a awura me kwaye num abo me bepo akomakura ase mi mom na se kofia je ewu jama wunyade na me mesmanagi no mama ne behia me ye kwase ya nyesikani ba nye nipa wo hu John Mahama amamuo nyame to ne safre mes ni onya 2 years no ono ankase ye di mfie nan ka no nye sa nipa no ehunu se de na mamuo tie nene sabi obesu ama ne ho aye nipa mobo dabi nana yaje yento ye kwa akoto atiawo nana yaje alawa no yento ai yaje alawa no na munim akatua so mfaso ene kom de mo akando pay us now dabi o they say ye jeje nkrofo adan ye pedan na rent se mu wo bi a momma ye bi ya dane agent fo a ye hwehwe dan ye kwaji abodamfo abegu kuremu na akwasi buroni ama yesika bedi eno ho dadwene na da yetirimu sese nyamo makatua ni ono be ye ne mo pama amokura no mudi boni aye na tua ne ka mo fizi agimi ye metua moka ye nyankwase afu His Excellency be the account number no be send one up ya pe kakra tumi mu nam de ja o mu nsem hunu no omudi no ye ni bibi ye de ma o mu kuro mu Kevin Taylor cross o mu ni maduane ye ni mu ho dadwe no Ghana abatan na moton mo ntoma de mu kokoko si awo mu nsu se mo ma wa Ashanti region do ma kwotu dey wai boga munya huhwe ye frustrate musa na mo yi mu ma no private schools yan kasi ya twam. Yes, there are so many ways to kill a cat. Sa na ebeye mu abatu obone ya chiri nsunsanso no na mu face no. Yes, echina yeti oman mu so oman ma ye nyina ebesua nyansa. Yes, ye besua nyansa na ye hunu sabi kwan a ye betoto ya namon atena yiye na manipa refie atena yiye pa ai de na eba wiase a akufu adodo oman beto ya no dane yen sasabi eburu eda paso na wa ama ya nhye eno ne ma ya refie na ye ne ye pe obi ani ho ebetu ya muka pay us now mo de ko ye den mu ni mu aduane ye Kevin Taylor kan ye mo wiasa biye fan ya simu ho so dabi ya demokratia no mansam twrofo enne asofo binum de da pay roso ye tuansam twrofo binum ka $2,000 a month eno ho omo ne de ye ba aban mu omo ne ye betua mo ka nyamo amukọ gina social media sai na yaji o ye kwoto atia dabi mu no mo nye ye dadwene wa na ka kire mu so odwanfunu suro sikan dwan a wawu suro sikan their demonstration now from 2012 DBC 2016 dia ne yanhu no demonstration be na o memo anye munya mu dede no ya temu ka enkofoku mon fasa anyu ni susu mame His Excellency onu nyame yada no de mu ye bia ne ho ebe ye foku dabi de mu ye bia ne ho ye foku akufu ado ne ma oman mu nkwada ne wo mu ahye yafunu mu nyina hu Kofi Job mimpo na maintain nkasa Kofi Job akufu ado ne ma ne yi ni cars nyina pie a contractor fo na wo kuro yi mu akufu ado ne ma ehu wo mu ene mu mfidie ni wai mu ana mu twitwi sa cars no ene Kofi Job tifie no mo be kwa akwaji sika bo so mo be so mama afre ne so ontua moka ye be suya nyansa next time why Ghana fo yani beda ho yani ebeda ho ami yesuya nyansa contractors ya hodo a negu kuro mu ani yenim wo mu akufu ado a oyi akwan petin kuro yi mu nyina atwa kuro yi hu hyiaye ene ye mi yehu sa contractors fo no mi yehu no Kofi Job ka ase dodo ene mo woi ahemfo na efura ntoma esu kwan ene ye woi ene ye woi kotie ya titi mu ya titi emu ne yekotie no fo se sabi mesi ni mota anya adwuma anya ye kotuagu ne Captain Smart no kotie Kevin Taylor no wenu mo Christian Awini no ohene babo amanom Mogabi no na mukotie wo mo pay us now akando e de asesa Mogabi no mo ma akogu abrochire hwe wo mo yemfa de na emetua moka yemfa de yentwa fake money na emetua moka na ya mo mpa pipa no bi mmere na mo mpa aka do bi nsuso so mamo bia ne hu ebetua moka kuro yi mo money beda ho se nwoma suafo money beda ho se timamufuo money beda ho se nyansafo yentua moka nyame na atua moka mo nyame na atua moka ena akufu ado oba mo ho be sika koto nchene wo ho na ado Rebecca sori anopa frɛ mo se mo mani sika nkoto nchene ya gi ala wa no ye nto akufu ado ba bi afrɛ mo akufu ado ne ma afrɛ mo so o mu nya sika nidi John Mahama yi Nyankopon na atua ye ne mu nyina mo ka wokuro yi mu nyame na atua ye ka emfie baako ani mu complaints afi ye hunu hwe ene ye mo aboso we na de ye ba so kyen kuro yi
abusiafo me be ma hwe video mienu bi biya me ba be kan wasem
When he come to power, we want immediate posting after completion. Students are suffering. Unemployment is in the country. So we want him to come to our aid when he is able to come to power. There are no dormitories. Students are renting houses. It's difficult for us to rent. You should manage the economy well. Employ nurses. We don't want to sit in the house.
few moments later.
I wish you for a nurse for na ati omo agu mbonte so say aban enti omo ka aban we baye one city kura omunya bi ntu omaka omunya bi ntu omubotomo na nurse for na amoma so oden ye ka kire mu na mantie ye ka kire mu say nipa ye nim na wia no ye nso ka na ehwe na nim anadwo ndc aban omo record say omo ba omo ntu adwumayefo ka omo sanfa adwumayefo ye ka kire mu na during campaign time ya je alawan so yento and this abambra oba na omo na be fa adwuma enne nurses fo a omo titi fie abanwe baaye onfa one batch mpo teacher fo so science fa one batch mpo omo so maye adwuma ekọ be 1 year abanwe baaye one city kro munya bi ntu omo botom etiyembusa omo se yembusa NDC for say NDC aban say e na nurses for the teachers for and doctors for e no mo fa nidi e no mo fa dan e no mo fa mo banko school ye tu mu fusuma tie maso de den MPP time hu sa de we bi da MPP time hu sa de we bi mo bi da adi say NDC pencil mo promise say mo ba be fa nurse for mo be automatic posting ebesi ne one batch of nurses kram fa bi teachers for so am fa bi nurses for maso den abanya otimi bua ayi government workers just say adwumayefo mo wo Ghana say NPP aban oba ofa adwumayefo o make sure say o say tu adwumayeni bia ka tuam by 30% enne nurses for TV omunya adwuma nye enne ye ka kire musumantie enti mo amso amkuruwa wa ye tumufo na mantie na next time NDC for ba mo be hwe mo mienu John Mahama, comment section. How you Penyah Media?